Home security is a top priority for homeowners, especially in active neighborhoods where peace of mind matters. While doors often get most of the attention, windows play an equally important role in protecting a home. Modern pre-made windows are designed with security in mind, offering dependable protection without sacrificing style or comfort. For homeowners in Baltimore, installing secure pre-made windows is a smart way to strengthen home safety while improving overall performance. Why windows matter in home security. Windows are one of the most common entry points for unauthorized access, particularly when older models are involved. Worn frames, outdated locks, and thin glass can make windows easier to compromise. In Baltimore homes, upgrading to modern pre-made windows helps close these gaps by introducing stronger materials, better locking systems, and tighter construction. Strong frames that resist forced entry. Pre-made windows are manufactured with reinforced frames designed to provide structural strength. These frames are built to resist bending, warping, and pressure, making them far more secure than older window designs. For Baltimore homeowners, sturdy window frames add a critical layer of defense against forced entry while maintaining a clean, finished appearance. Advanced locking systems for added protection. Modern pre-made windows feature upgraded locking mechanisms that secure the window firmly within the frame. These systems are designed to prevent windows from being easily lifted or forced open from the outside. In Baltimore homes, reliable locks provide peace of mind and help homeowners feel more secure whether they're home or away. Multi-pane glass enhances safety. Many pre-made windows include multi-pane glass, which adds both security and durability. Multiple layers of glass are more difficult to break through than single-pane designs, reducing vulnerability. For Baltimore homeowners, multi-pane glass helps deter break-ins while also offering additional benefits such as noise reduction and improved energy efficiency. Tight construction that eliminates weak points. Security depends not only on materials but also on how well a window fits. Pre-made windows are manufactured to precise standards, ensuring consistent quality and tight construction. In Baltimore homes, this precision helps eliminate gaps or weak points that could otherwise be exploited, creating a more secure window system overall. Improved visibility and awareness. Pre-made windows often feature clear, unobstructed glass that allows homeowners to easily see outside. Improved visibility supports awareness of surroundings and helps homeowners feel more connected to their property. In Baltimore neighborhoods, clear sight lines can contribute to a stronger sense of security and control. Compatibility with additional security measures. Pre-made windows are designed to work well with additional security features such as sensors and monitoring systems. Their consistent construction makes it easier to integrate these options without compromising performance. For Baltimore homeowners, this flexibility allows for layered security solutions tailored to individual needs. Professional installation maximizes security. Even the most secure window won't perform well if it's installed incorrectly. Professional installation ensures pre-made windows are anchored properly, aligned correctly, and sealed completely. In Baltimore homes, proper installation is essential for ensuring windows deliver their full security benefits. Long-term durability supports ongoing protection. Security isn't just about immediate protection, it's about long-term reliability. Pre-made windows are built to withstand daily use and environmental exposure without weakening over time. For Baltimore homeowners, durable windows help maintain consistent security year after year. A smarter security upgrade for Baltimore homes. Enhancing home security doesn't require sacrificing comfort or style. Pre-made windows offer reinforced frames, advanced locking systems, and durable glass that work together to protect the home. For Baltimore homeowners, upgrading to secure pre-made windows is a practical and effective way to improve safety, increase confidence, and enjoy long-lasting peace of mind.